Hey homies, this is what's in my fridge. Let's just begin. I did clean it out today. There was a few Japanese like duck sauces that I could toss. And then there was a tartar sauce from 2009, I think it was. That was the worst of it. So no fuzzy things. Other than those things, I did pretty good as far as not being grotesque. Anyways, here it is. Duplicate pickles, but one's, you know, the minis and one's sandwich slices. Duplicate eggs because we go through those like water. Yogurt stuff, I don't know, peanut butter jelly. Then, yeah, duplicate bolognas. That's because Brez eats these like crazy, and she's really picky, so I always try and have what she likes on hand. Leftovers, apples, pears, yeast, grapes. Look at how healthy we are. We got spinach. Oh yeah, lots of milks. We usually have two or three or four milks at a time in here because we go through milk a lot. Juices. My nuts are in here. They help keep them fresh. These are all like stuff for ice cream. Yeah. We do a lot of this strawberry and chocolate milk. That's pretty much how I get Briz to drink milk. And yeah, so that's about it. That's all I know. I can't remember the things. One was duplicates. Oh yeah, I know we have duplicate cheeses. There's like a bunch of cheddar cheese packs in there. And probably a couple hot dog packs. Yeah, I don't remember what else there was besides duplicates. Oh, anything scary? No, nothing scary. Oh, forgot my little drawer up here. Briz has to eat those too. She won't eat any other cheese besides those American slices. So, yeah. Alright, are you bored yet? I don't usually label my leftovers because I usually don't have this many. But this was like rice and chicken from one meal, pizza from one meal, and then this is all from another meal. So we usually eat leftovers pretty good, so those will be gone pretty soon. That's all I know. That's all I know. That was my fridge. Wasn't it so entertaining? What's in your fridge? Anything risque? Yeah, that's all I know. Alright, homies out.